This is the Ulefone X, Ulefone's latest budget smartphone. Now design-wise, it is yet another device with a notch design as seen in most of the 2018 Android smartphones. Taking a look into the front, it has got a 5.8-inch 1512 by 720 pixels 720p display. The notch houses the front-facing camera and a couple of sensors. To the back, it has got a vertical dual camera setup at the top left corner with LED flash. To the top center, it has also got a fingerprint sensor, followed by a vertical Ulefone branding at the center. The Ulefone X has got a 13 plus 5 megapixel dual camera setup. It has got a Sony IMX135 sensor with an f2.2 aperture. The camera setup also has an auto HDR feature. The front camera is an 8 megapixel sensor with. Now taking a look into the specifications, it has got a MediaTek MT6763 octa-core processor clocked at 2 GHz. Ulefone X houses 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, which is expandable up to 256 GB. It comes with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. Other features in Ulefone X are 3G and 4G LTE support, dual SIM with dual 4G simultaneously, 5G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, gyroscope, compass, GPS, 3.5mm jack port, etc. It comes with USB 2.0, which I would say by today's standards is too old for me 2018, as other manufacturers provide USB Type-C for their project devices. Ulefone X comes with a 3300 mAh lithium polymer battery, which is okay for a 720p screen and mentioned hardware. The company claims it supports fast charging, that is 5V and 1.5 ampere, which by today's standards is not fast at all. It also supports 5W wireless charging as well. Now considering all the features, lack of USB Type-C and fast charging, at a price point of $135 or 8,690 Indian rupees, I would say it is better to have a look at some of other budget devices from Xiaomi, Samsung, Indonesia, etc. before making a final decision. This was the Ulefone X, and if you made it this far, please subscribe to the channel, it will mean a lot to me. Stay tuned for more such content, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.